This motion-activated smart lamp will connect to your Google Home and absolutely brighten your day. This incredible device is perfect for lighting up your life, whether it's for work or for decoration. And these color adjustments are absolutely breathtaking.
Come up here and get one of these.
What's that?
It's a chicken salad.
From where?
81st Deli.
What's on it?
Superior. I got chicken, pickles, banana peppers, bell peppers, tomatoes.
Amazon tools you need or don't. Introducing this drill dust cover that fits onto any drill and can effectively prevent dust from being inhaled or making a mess by collecting it inside. If you ever need to replace screens, this rolling mouse feeds the spline through and allows you to effortlessly install your screens for your windows and doors. These gloves wrap around your wrist and have 4 LED lights so you can have proper lighting when there's no one there to hold up a flashlight. And this tool automatically applies tape to masking film and allows you to simply apply the tape and extend the film to provide cover for paint home. Home gadgets you need or don't. This gadget installs in 2 minutes with no tools and turns all of your blinds into smart blinds. You can set schedules so they open and close whenever you'd like and even connect them to Alexa or Google and control your blinds with voice command. Alexa, open the blinds. This drying rack expands your laundry space. It mounts onto any wall or door and opens up when it's time to hang, dry, or close and then closes right back up. And if you have a door that won't stay open and are tired of using door props, this door balancer installs into the door hinge and makes sure your door stays open. These smart sunglasses are the world's first to let you instantly control the tint level app or by pressing the frame so you can adjust the tint level when you'd like. They have speakers and a mic so you can ditch your blender and listen to music and take calls. Amazon Home Gadgets. This gadget mounts to your wall and turns to a space-saving drying rack that can hold up to 60 pounds of clothing and then folds right back up to save you space. And this laundry turtle gets placed inside your washer or dryer and gets turned upside down to get all the laundry on the inside so you can carry it with ease. This gadget lets you slide in and wirelessly charge your phone and switch between landscape or portrait mode while keeping the grip stable and secure, turning your phone into professional camera. There's a slot for lights, a tripod, and you can use it as a tabletop charging stand. And this phone grip slides inside your phone case and ensures you won't drop your phone. Valentine's Day gift for him. These sweaters let you inflate the hoodie so you can sleep comfortably anywhere. This shower head comes with a body bar that provides powerful water pressure. This pillow is for side sleepers and has a pocket for the shoulder, a tunnel for the arm, and comes with a body pillow. A projector that fits in your hand and connects to your phone so you can watch anywhere. A keyboard with a built-in touch screen that gives a secondary screen to get work done. This massive shower head is see-through, creates a rainfall shower experience, and also comes in a smaller size. These tags stick to the back window and let Snoop Dogg wipe away the rain. A kitchen gadget that transforms a stovetop into a massive grill that can feed the entire family. This screen wirelessly connects to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for anyone with an older car.